pa rin ba mag-file sa BIR if you are a VA but the salary is only 10K a month? Sa tax law natin, nakalagay na pag ang annual income ay below 250,000, hindi na kailangan mag-file ng annual income tax return. Pero may nakalagay po na mga exception doon sa 250,000 annual income na yon. Kagaya ng mga self-employed, nakalagay po na pag ikaw ay self-employed and as a virtual assistant, part po tayo or under po tayo ng self-employment. So business po siya at pag self-employed po, regardless of our income, kailangan po nating mag-file ng income tax return. Kaya kailangan pong mag-register sa BIR as a virtual assistant para po makapag-file tayo ng ITR kahit less than 250,000 po ang ating annual income or sa case mo po kahit 10,000 a month ang income, nakalagay sa tax law, kailangan po natin mag-file ng income tax return. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Pero take note po, pag less than 250,000 ang annual income mo at nag-register ka sa BIR as a freelancer, as a virtual assistant, kailangan mo lang pong mag-file ng income tax return mo pero wala ka pong income tax na babayaran dahil ang annual income na 250,000 and below per year po ito ay tax exempt po. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.